So this is how a chessboard is set up. All the pawns are on the front. So a pawn can either move 1 or 2 spaces. On your first turn on moving 1 pawn, you could either go 2 or 1. But after that, you can only move 1 and you can't move to the side. This is a rook. It can only move forward and sideways as far as you want. So with this, a piece is like a castle shape. So it's like the farthest right over here. So you can, like, if you get this one out, you can just go like this and just start wiping out. This is a knight. It can only move in a L shape. So you can either move it like this, or even backwards. So you can pull off a lot of cool stuff with this and dodge dangerous situations. Now this is a bishop. It can only move diagonal, and so it can move as far as you want. So if you want to find a space that is safe, you can go like, and then you can like just go like and take that one out while it takes this one out. So it's basically like a sacrifice. Now this is the queen, the most powerful piece. It could either move from side to side as far as it wants, or forward and backwards as far as it wants. It can even go diagonal as far as it wants. So it's pretty much super strong, unless you're in a sticky situation. So you better like wipe out everything super fast so this can win the game for you. Now this is the king. You might expect it to be super powerful like the queen, but it can only move 1 space in any direction. So if you are running away, you might have trouble because it can only move 1 space at a time. Sort of like the pawn, like this, but this one can go diagonal and backwards.